Hey, hi friends, I am Uday Vanja. Today we are going to learn how to create the batch file and run Selenium Webdriver script without opening Eclipse. So today our high level agenda is to create new Java project, download testng in the Eclipse, create new class file, run the program, after then create the lib folder, then create testng.xml file, and in last we will create the batch file. That batch file will run our Selenium script without opening Eclipse. So first of all, to create the new Java project, I will open the Eclipse. So I have already created some projects. So now I will create new project to demonstrate purpose. So I will give sample name as open run batch file, and I'll click on next button and click on finish. So it has created our project. Now I will click on build path and configure the build path. So to create Selenium script, we have to add all the Selenium jar files in the project. So I will click on add external jar. I have already downloaded the Selenium jar files, so simply I will add it in my project. So I will add the Selenium Java 3.0.1 plus Selenium server standalone and testng file. I will click on apply and click on OK button. So it has created my project and add all the required jar file to run the Selenium script. Now what I will do is I will create one new package called run Firefox and click on finish button. Again I will right click on the my package and create new class file, open Firefox, and I will click on finish button. So my new class file is created. I will create one constructor called public static void Firefox, and I will write my script in this block of bracket. So right now I'm not going to write the script, I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So simply I will copy my existing code and I will paste it here. So my code is ready, but here we are missing one annotation called test. So it is testng annotation. When you move cursor over here, you have to import the test from testng. So my testng annotation is imported. Now I save this class file and right click on it and run as a testng test. So it should open our Firefox browser and launch the google.com. So you can see that Firefox browser is opened and it has launched the website google.com. So you can see that my test is passed successfully. Now what you have to do is simply refresh the project. Go to the properties, click on resource and copy this location. Control R, paste it. You can see all the project folders here. So what you have to do is create a new folder called lib. Now in this lib folder you have to copy all your external jar files which we have added in the project. So I will go to developer software. I will manually add all the jar files. Paste it here. Also I will add the Selenium server jar file. And we are also going to add testng. Make sure that you won't miss this testng file to add in this folder. It's very necessary. So again I will go to the Eclipse. I will click on OK button. But before moving ahead, we are going to see steps. So we have opened the Eclipse and created new Java project. Click on library tabs and add all your Selenium jar files plus testng jar file. So we have already added it. So if you have not installed testng plugin in your Eclipse, you can add it using install new software, add URL in the work, select testng and follow the next instruction and finish the installation. So what you have to do is click on help, install new software. From add you have to add URL and name. I have already added, so I'm not going to add it again. So this one is my testng URL. So simply I will click on it and I will click on next and I will agree the terms and condition and I will finish. So testng plugin will be added into my Eclipse. Next is after add all the libraries, click on finish button. Newly created project will display in package explorer. Go to the project properties, copy project path. So we have copied it. Run the project path using Ctrl R. It will open the project folder in Windows. Next, create one folder called lib. Copy all the external jar which is added in the project and paste it in lib folder. Make sure that you include the testng jar file in lib folder. Now right click on the project name, create new class, click on finish button. In the new class, add below code. So here I have created one code. So you can write your Selenium script here rather than this fixed code. Now right click on your class file and run it as a testng test. So my test is passed. Now click on testng and convert to testng. So again I will go to Eclipse, refresh the project. So you can see that lib folder is added into my project. Again I will run this file to make sure that it is working properly. It has launched google.com. So my test is passed successfully. You can see that my test is passed. So again I will click here. I will refresh the project and now I will right click on it, select testng and convert to testng. So we are going to refactoring our code to testng. So it has display one dialog box. So this is our testng code. So simply we have to click on next button and we have to click on finish button. So it will create one file called testng.xml. Simply click on it. So this is our testng code. Now let us see that this code is working or not. So I will right click on it and run as a testng suite. So again it should open our Firefox and launch the google.com. Yes, I think my code is work properly and my test should be passed. It is taking time to loading the google.com, so result is pending. Yeah, my test is passed. So that our testng.xml is working properly. So click on testng and select convert to testng. Click on next button. Again click on next button and finish button. It will create our testng.xml. So now go to your project folder and copy the path. So what you have to do is, again you have to copy the path, or if you have copied the path, then simply go to the run and open the folder. So this is our folder path. Now what you have to do is, you have to open notepad plus plus, and I have already added the code. So you have to create one code related to batch file, and we have to paste our project path here. So simply copy your project location and paste it here, and simply I will save it as a batch file. So I will give name as open Firefox browser, and here we have option that we need to select batch file.bat and save it. I am going to close this notepad plus plus. So what you have to do is, simply click on this batch file. Let us click on it and see what is going to happen. So you can see that Webdriver is launching and it should open the Firefox. Yes, it is opening my Firefox and launch the google.com website. So yes, it's a very easy way to launch any website or run your Selenium script using this batch file. You click on enter, so it will break my code and close the batch file. So now I don't need to open the Eclipse every time, just close it, click on OK. So my Eclipse is closed. Again I will click on this open Firefox browser. So you can see that without opening Eclipse, my Firefox browser is launched and it has launched the google.com website as per I written code in Selenium Webdriver script. So that's it guys. You can create your Selenium script and create testng file, and after that you can create the batch file. So using this batch file you can directly run your code without opening Eclipse. So let us see that. Open the notepad plus plus, copy and paste below code to the notepad and save it as a .bat extension file. So you can directly copy this code to this document, close the Eclipse and run your bat file. It will open your browser and run your Selenium script written in the Selenium Webdriver file. Congratulations. So every morning when you come to the office and it is fixed that you have to open some browser and you have to launch some website, login into it and view the bug count, or you have to check any other things, like if you are going to check your Facebook account. So every morning you have to open the browser and pass the url.www.facebook.com and you have to enter your username and password. So for that you can create your Selenium script, and using this Selenium script you can create your batch file. So every morning what you have to do is simply run the batch file, and it will make ready your tasks. So it will decrease our effort and daily task efforts. So it is very beneficial. You can automate many things in your daily life. So it is very easy and you can use it very easily. So use this resource and make your life easy. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much.